Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Rush for Rush. Today we will learn about determinants as many of the students and guardians have requested me. So here I am explaining about determinants which you must use in your examinations, also in your
Dear friends
writing.
and young friends, today we are going to learn about determinants. Here in the determinants, the contents are types of determinants we should know, articles a and the, possessive, demonstrative, quantifiers with some valued examples. What are determinants or what is determiner? Determiners qualify the noun that follow. It determines a noun. The most important fact is it determines a noun. So types of determinants we should know. Articles you have learned earlier, a and the. You have previous chapters of previous video. You have learned all these things. Demonstrative also, these, that, these, those. Possessive, my, our, your, his, her, its, their, Ram's, Sita's, John's, Mahatma Gandhi's, like that. And the quantifiers are many. Some, any, much, many, each, every, either, neither, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, less, few, both, all, a lot of, lots of, a large number of, a great deal of, another, other, all, both, either, etc. We will learn one by one. Discussion on articles, that is demonstrative and possessives. As we have previously known when to use a and the articles, so I am not discussing it is in this section, but demonstrative also, these, that, these, those are also discussed in the previous videos, so we are just not going to discuss it, but discussions on possessives can be done. Example, this is my pen, it is our house, that is your book, it is his cap, that is her balloon, it is its tail, that is their house, it is Mahatma Gandhi's spectacle, it is Rabindranath Tagore's book, like that. The other quantifiers that continued, some and any, we will discuss one by one. To express quantity, some is used in the affirmative sentences, any in the negative sentences. I have some milk but I don't have any sugar. She bought some shoes but did not buy any dresses. Some is used in interrogative sentences when making polite requests. Will you give me some sugar? Will you have some more tea? Because the answer is coming here, no. In conditional sentences, if there are any oranges in the market, please buy some. In interrogative sentences also, some is used in conditional sentences. If you see any oranges in the market, please buy some for me. And use of any in interrogative or negative sentences. Did you buy any stamps? Have you any articles on recent events? I did not see any oranges in the market. Like that, we can use some and any. Now the quantifier continues. Each, every, either, neither. Each means one of two things or one of any number exceeding 2. Every is used to in speaking of some numbers exceeding 2, as each of them had a gun in his hand. Each of you can go to the market. Every man expects to be rich and successful. Every country expects loyalty from its people. Either has two meanings, one of two or each of two in both. Neither is the negative of either and means neither the one or nor the other. You can live by either the door, by one door or the other. Trees grow grow on either side of the road, that is both sides. He looked at neither side of the road, neither this side nor the other. So here neither nor and each every we have learned. मच और मैनी, मच होता है अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के लिए, मैनी होता है काउंटेबल नाउन के लिए. मैनी स्टैंड्स फॉर क्वांटिटी एंड मैनी डिनोट्स नंबर. Was there much milk? Milk is uncountable, जानते हो तुम लोग, left in the pot. Were there many people? People we can count, हम गिन सकते हैं. Watching the movie. We haven't got many books. Books we can count, so many books. She doesn't have much money. Money is uncountable. You are always very much in confusion. Money is not a countable. Money is a uncountable noun. So note words and expression like given below. ये जो मैनी लगा है, मैनी की जगह हम ए ग्रेट मैनी, ए गुड मैनी, ए ग्रेट नंबर, प्लेंटी ऑफ, ए लॉट ऑफ, लॉट्स ऑफ. मच में क्या लगा सकते हैं? ए डील ऑफ, ए गुड डील ऑफ, ए क्वांटिटी ऑफ, प्लेंटी ऑफ, ए I have got a large quantity of money, like that. Little or little the, this has been taught in your class also. Little means hardly any or not, means in a negative sense. And little for uncountable noun, it has a negative meaning. There was little money in the house, means almost not, पूरा पूरी बहुत कम है, 100% से 90%. There was little that she could do to help the students. उसके पास there was only little, that is nothing. A little means something at least. I had told you also, if you have got some water in the glass and we can take a sip also, we can take, there is little water in the glass. So हम लोग जानते हैं, and it has an affirmative meaning. हर वक्त affirmative मतलब ये assertive meaning, yes meaning आता है. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. There is a little milk left in the pot. Both are used for uncountable nouns. The little means, ये the little थोड़ा confusion है. It can be used both positively and negatively. He wasted the little strength he had in being angry. उनके पास जितना strength था, it means the strength he had was not much. Means उनके पास negative, हम बोल देंगे negative है, मतलब उनके पास इतना शक्ति नहीं था. He wasted all his strength. पॉजिटिव, ओके पॉजिटिव है, वो उनके पास था लेकिन वो उसको गंवा दी. यस. फ्यू, अ फ्यू, द फ्यू, ऐसे लिटिल ए लिटिल जैसा, लिटिल ए लिटिल लगा काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में, और फ्यू ए फ्यू लगता है अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में. फ्यू मीन्स नॉट टू मेनी एंड हैज ए नेगेटिव मीनिंग. मीन्स ऑलमोस्ट नॉट. ही हैज फ्यू बुक्स लेफ्ट इन द लाइब्रेरी. जैसे कि हम लोग के पार्टी को बुलाए हैं 100 आदमी, उस दिन जोर से बारिश आए, 5 आदमी आए, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? बहुत कम आए, तो हम बोलेंगे ए फ्यू पीपुल, ना बोल के हम बोलेंगे फ्यू पीपुल हैव कम टू द पार्टी. यदि हम 100 आदमी से 50 आए तो हम बोलेंगे अ फ्यू पीपुल हैव कम टू द पार्टी. सो हैव फ्यू मीन्स सम एट लीस्ट, इट हैज ए पॉजिटिव मीनिंग. I have a few books left in my library. Both are used for countable nouns. The few means not many. It has both positive and negative meaning. जैसे the little जैसे. He lost the few friends he had. Positive means he lost all the friends he had. The friends he had were not many. Okay, ये negative sense में आएगा. Less and fewer, दोनों को कंफ्यूजन हो जाते हैं. लेस इज यूज्ड विथ रेफरेंस टू क्वांटिटी, परिमाण के लिए, एंड फ्यूअर फॉर नंबर. द ह्यूज पम्पकिन वेड नो लेस देन 10 पाउंड. ह्यूज पम्पकिन ये क्वांटिटी है. आई कैन नॉट बाय लेस देन 10 किलोग्राम्स ऑफ राइस, ये तो नंबर है, तो आई कैन नॉट बाय 10 किलोग्राम्स ऑफ राइस. और ऑल्सो ये क्या है, क्वांटिटी है. नो फ्यूअर देन 2000 पीपुल, 2000 पीपुल एक नंबर है, ज्वाइन द स्ट्राइक. नो फ्यूअर देन 10 सिविलियंस वेर हॉट इन द फायरिंग. ये नोट हमको पता चलना चाहिए कि देयर आर और भी बहुत सारी डिटर्मिनेंट्स है जो नाउन के पीछे बैठता है, नाउन के पहले बैठता है. दैट इज नो, सेवरल, ऑल, फर्स्ट, सेकंड. जैसे ही इज द सेकंड बॉय ऑफ आवर क्लास, आई गॉट थर्ड प्राइज, ही लिव्स नेक्स्ट डोर, ही इज द लास्ट बॉय. लाइक जैसे नॉट एन ऑफ, मोस्ट, ये सब भी लग सकता है. सो इन क्वेश्चंस बोथ सम एंड एनी आर एक्सेप्टेबल. क्वेश्चन में बोथ कौन सा, सम और एनी दोनों एक्सेप्ट है. वी यूज सम, हम जब भी किसी का पॉजिटिव आंसर, हमको यस आंसर मिलता है तो हम सम लगाएंगे, और नेगेटिव आंसर मिलता है तो हम एनी लगाएंगे. जैसे एग्जांपल में देता हूँ, डू यू हैव एनी कॉम्प्लेंट्स. आंसर हमको कंप्लेंट नहीं है तो द आंसर एक्सपेक्ट इज नो, सो इस यहाँ पर एनी लगा है. डू यू नीड सम मोर टी, जो जिसको हम टी दे रहे हैं वो बोलेगा यस बोलेगा, इसीलिए द आंसर इज एक्सपेक्टेड यस, सो हम सम लगाए हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट्स, लर्न इट एंड प्रूव इट टू बी योर वर्थ.
अगर आपको मेरा ये प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब इट. थैंक यू वेरी मच.